Welcome back, everyone. Um, we will be solving the next question of the exercise, question number 5, which states that Mr. Singh's bank account is for $20 overdrawn. An overdrawn bank account means that you have withdrawn or spent money more than you actually had in your account. As a result, your account balance becomes negative. Normally, you cannot withdraw more money than you have. However, some bank accounts allow an overdraft. An overdraft is like a short-term loan from the bank. Let's say you have $20 in your account and you need $50 to pay, so the bank allows the payment to go through. And this way, so like you had 20 of your own and 50 in total you have paid, so $30 the bank has given you a loan, so you are $30 in debt to the bank. The negative, when we write about the for $20 overdrawn, since you're in debt, we usually represent it in negative. So the first part of the question is that express this as a directed number. Since this is overdrawn, we are in debt, therefore we use the negative sign minus for $20. The second part of the question is how much money will be needed to deposit to get his account to have a balance of $500. Now here, how much money he needs to deposit to have a balance of 500 when he has already drawn $420 overdrawn from his account. So many students wonder why we write in here I have used in order to find to have a balance of 500, the amount needed. In here I would express it as 500 minus, in the bracket we have the overdrawn account, that is minus 420. How much, when we want to know how much do we need to move from the current balance to reach the target balance, so the formula that we use, that is, let me write the formula for you. It would be amount needed is equal to target balance minus current balance. So the target balance is 500 and the current balance is minus 420, and we are having the subtraction sign from the formula. So we write that 500 minus 420. You have to keep in mind that like subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. So minus into minus will become plus. So 500 plus 420, 920. It means the amount needed to have a $500 balance in your account, you need $920 in your account. In this way, with this $920, you will be able to pay the $420 debt that you owe to the account, and the rest of the 500 would be remaining in your account. So a total of $920 is required to have a balance of $500 in your account. The third part of the question is he deposits a $200. What will his new balance be? So when he deposits 200, the starting balance was minus 420, then $200 are added. What we are left with, minus 220. So it's still overdrawn. It means if we deposit $200, we still owe the bank $220. We are still in debt to the bank of $220. So I hope the question is clear and it is making sense for you all. That's all for this question and its solution. I hope you have understood it well. Happy learning!